In order to boot Xiaomi 15 Ultra into the recovery mode, first we need to turn it off. So let's press the power button and volume up in order to show the power menu. And then we need to swipe it up in order to power off. Once the device is off, you want to press and hold the power button and volume up button, and you want to hold these two buttons until you see the Xiaomi logo. Once you see the Xiaomi logo, you want to just hold the volume up button, just this button. So let's start. Press and hold power button and volume up. And then hold only the volume up button. And there we go. Now we are in the recovery mode. And as you can see, we can reboot into the normal mode. So if you want to exit the recovery mode, then you need to select reboot. You can confirm your choice by pressing the power button, move up and down by using the volume buttons, and that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.